Hello everyone, this is Mihaela from Axway. Let's dive into what's new in this Flow Manager December release. Very important to know is that Flow Manager requires a database to store the Flow repository. It can either be an integrated or an external database of type MongoDB. Before you start updating Flow Manager, make sure that you are running the correct MongoDB version, which is 4.2. Otherwise, you may have issues when updating. If you are not familiar with Flow Manager, you can access free introductory product training in the description below. Let's review the most critical fixes in this release. Previously, when trying to undeploy subscriptions from flows with multiple subscriptions, it would not remove all objects on the products associated with that flow. This is now fixed. Modifying the parameter group from the Subscription Configuration tab of the template definition no longer breaks the subscription form. Also, you can now register in Flow Manager SecureTransport products attached to SAML. As usual, the release notes contain a detailed list of all fixes and enhancements, so check them out. A cool improvement this month has been made for System-to-Human connector for SecureTransport. You are able to specify the from address as part of the flow definition, and you can also send the file as an email attachment. For this demo purpose, I already created a pattern having the S2H protocol, and I will go ahead and create a template. My source and target partners were created beforehand to make this easier to explain. So now I select my relay, and I also have the communication profile set up that will communicate with the source and the target partners. I will set up a scheduler, a recurring scheduler. I will enter a start date and the start time. Here I will define the FTP receive settings, and I will go ahead and define the S2H send mail content settings, which is here. As you can see, I have the option to enter the from address, a subject, a body. I can also change the name of the file if I want using expression language using this field. And if I want, I can send the file as an attachment if I enable this checkbox. I will go next and finish this up. I will give a name to my template. Okay, save. As soon as I publish the template, I can go ahead and subscribe. Okay, I have the target partner set up, and this is how you define a valid flow that gets a file from an FTP partner and sends it as an email attachment to a predefined group of email recipients. Another cool feature is that you have an update action on subscriptions at promotion. When using the promotion functionality to import subscriptions, there is a new action on existing subscriptions called update, which overrides the existing subscription details and dependencies with the ones in the file you are importing. For this demo purpose, I have two Flow Manager environments that have this test archive subscription. Both have the exact same details, and I will go ahead in this Flow Manager environment to edit the subscription and change some details. For example, I will add a different communication profile here. I will also create a new credential name with a new PASIT login. Okay, and I will also change the flow name to make it even more fun. Okay, so I've saved my changes. I will go to promotion to export this subscription with the new details. And now going to my second Flow Manager environment, I will use the import functionality to update my subscription. So here is the new exported file. I will enter the password. And when I click next, as you can see, it says that this subscription already exists here, but that's not an issue because what I want to do is I want to update the existing subscription. If I check the dependencies tab, I will see that it will create a new communication profile for me and a new login. I import, and when I go to check my subscription, it will show me the new communication profile with the new login. So this is how I easily updated my subscription in my second Flow Manager environment. Last but not least, this December version comes with some style updates in the user interface. You will now find the table action buttons directly beneath the search bar. As you can see here, the search bar has been widened and all the action buttons have been moved right beneath it. This change applies to all list pages. Thanks for watching. Install this release using the links in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.